Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will present you about how to fix a corrupt system file with a command prompt. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Adnan Hambali from 12 TKJ1. I have divided my presentation into three parts. They are preliminary explanation, and then material and step, and the last is conclusion. Preliminary explanation. How to fix corrupt or missing system. Use the system file checker tool to repair missing or corrupt file. If some Windows functions aren't working or Windows crash, use the system file checker or SFC to scan Windows and restore your files. Materials and steps. In materials, there are 4 items. First item is your computer, like PC or laptop. Second item is command prompt with running as administrator. Third item is files, your system files, which one missing or corrupt. And the last item is Windows, your Windows example like Windows 10 or Windows 7. Steps. In this section, there are 3 steps. First step is open command prompt or CMD on your computer. In Windows 8 or 8.1, on the search box, type command prompt on your computer and then right click to run as administrator. In the Windows 10 or 7, click start, type CMD in search box, right click CMD and then run as administrator. Second step, run the ism.x/online/cleanup/image/restore health. If you are running Windows 10 or 8, first run the inbox dism tool prior to running the system file checker. If you are running Windows 7, skip this step. Type the following command and then press enter. It may take several minutes for the command operation to be complete. Third steps, run SFC/scannow. In the CMD, type SFC scannow. The SFC command will be scan all protect system file and replace corrupt file with a judge copy. Do not close the command prompt window until the verification is 100 complete. The scan result will be shown after the process is finished. And the last but not least, conclusion. System file checker tool. System file checker tool is a utility in Microsoft Windows that allow user to scan for restore corruption in Windows system files. After running this tool, you may receive one of these following message. First is Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation. The second is Windows Resource Protection could not perform the request operation, and you are complete the steps. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.